everyone, welcome back to new video. In this video, I am going to solve this lab running Windows container on Compute Engine. First of all, copy this password, open Cloud Console in private window. Then click on next and paste the password over here. Click on next. Click on I understand. Okay. Now click this checkbox again. Got it. Now simply in search box search compute. Okay. Compute engine. You can see first option. Just click on this first option and it will open in VM instance page, and you can see there is created already Windows instance. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to install in your system Microsoft Remote Desktop, this app. Okay, and if your system already installed, then don't need to download again. Just if you have not download, just go to browser and search Microsoft Remote Desktop and install it. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply go to this page and click on this RDP. Okay, click on this RDP and download this RDP file. It will not harm your system. Okay, so just simply download this, and after completing this step you can uninstall this. Okay, this. Now what you have to do, click on this open file and it will open in remote desktop. Now click on continue, click on connect anyway. Now for password, come over here and cancel it. And now beside RTP, click on this down arrow option. Okay, and click on set Windows password option. Click on it. Okay. Now you can see there is a username which are already matched with this remote desktop. Okay. Now simply click on set. Wait for a second. It will create the password. Okay. Now copy this password and come over here and paste it. Now click on connect and it will take a couple of seconds to connect. Okay. It will be some slow, it will run slow because this remote desktop is slow sometimes. Okay, so wait for that, don't panic. Now simply in search box search, okay, it will slow, search CMD. Okay, or you can, I think this is yes, or you can right click on this cloud shell and run as administrator. Click on this option and click on yes. Okay, now you can see cloud shell is open. Now what you have to do, go to tasks. Okay, now go to task 1, scroll down and copy this fifth command, docker images, and come over here. And now paste it, control V or right click. Okay, hit enter and you can see docker images are there. Now again go to tasks, go to task 2. Okay, I will split this page, then it will be easy. Go to task 2. Okay, now copy this first command and paste it in cloud shell. Hit enter. Now copy this first command, second part, copy this and paste it. Hit enter. Okay, now copy this second command, create a folder which name content. Okay, now enter. Okay, now call content.index.html file. Okay, hit enter. Now scroll down little bit. Now copy this command 3. We edit the Docker file, paste it, command in Cloud Shell, hit enter, and it will open in Notepad. Now in command 4, you have to just simply copy this code, HTML code, okay, and paste it in Notepad. Paste it. Now simply click on this file option and click on save. Okay. Now close this notepad window. Now we go to task 3, create a Docker file of Docker images. Okay, copy this command 1 and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Now copy this second command, go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. It will open in Notepad. Now scroll down, copy this command 3, all of this content, copy this and paste it in Notepad. Now click on save. Okay, and it's saved. Now close this window. Now what you have to do, go to next command and copy this fifth command and go to Cloud Shell, paste it, hit enter. Okay. Now wait for execution, it will take few minutes. And you can see you have successfully executed. Now what you have to do, copy these Docker images, this command. Okay, so copy this command and go to cloud share, paste it, hit enter, and you can see all repository are downloaded successfully. Okay, and both are same, this sample output and these are same. Okay, now simply check my progress. Yeah, it's done. Now go to tasks, and there is no any check my progress. Okay, we solve this lab. Now end this lab.